Guys, today I will be showing you my 1992 Ford F250. Here's the interior. It's pretty good shape. The seat has no rips in it. It's pretty clean. It looks like, you could use a little bit more cleaning, but there's really no cracks on the dash or anything. And we look right here, there's only one gas tank. My other truck has two gas tanks. Kind of confusing there, but reason I got this truck is because it's a long bed. My other one was a short bed, and it was only a 150. And this is a 250. And we look at the tailgate. It's got a dent right there. Get a dent puller and pull that out. The rear bumper's in pretty good shape. Then we go to the right side of the truck, and you may notice that the passenger side mirror doesn't match the driver's side because the person I bought the truck from accidentally busted the mirror off, and he went to a wrecking yard and bought another one. When we look at the tires, there's probably about 50% tread remaining. And we go to here, and it needs a new turn signal light, but that won't be too big of a nightmare, too bad to fix. So yeah, truck is in pretty good shape. It's got low miles. Got a pretty good deal on it. So there you have it. This was my 1995 Ford F250. Hope you enjoyed.